Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 150 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's press the middle button to enter the menu and let's find the settings. Then let's select it, and here at the top we've got the tone settings, so let's enter just by pressing the middle button. Here we've got the ringtone, ringing tone, so let's select and pick the SIM card for which you want to change the ringtone. And as you can see here, we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. And as you can see, after marking particular ringtone, you can check how it sounds. So whenever you like the ringtone, simply mark it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it has been done, and it should be notified right here that from now on, this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.